The internet is a beautifully simple marketplace for people to make money and get paid for their services. We've compiled the 5 best places for you to make money online. Number 1. Elance. Elance is the internet's biggest marketplace for legitimate freelance work. It provides a simple interface that allows you to search for jobs in any kind of niche. From writing and translation to web design and programming. Basically, people post jobs they want doing on the website and you submit a proposal for it. It's that simple. Regardless of how much money you want to make, the possibilities are endless. There are freelancers on Subscribe making $1,000 to $100,000 a year. Number 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is a long-established freelance site where everything costs a $5 minimum. It's a simple and easy-to-use website where you post the services you can provide, and if someone needs them, they'll pay you to work. There is also scope to earn more than your $5 per job, with different levels for different services, such as early delivery dates, extra work or bolt-ons for your services. Number 3. Autodesk. Autodesk is a similar company to Elance that helps freelancers find work in a wide range of areas. Out of the 2 sites, it's down to your personal preference, but the Autodesk's design and payment tracker app set it apart from the competition. This is a great website to get started on as a beginner as the average prices for jobs is lower and it's much easier to establish yourself as an up-and-coming freelancer. Number 4. Craigslist. Craigslist is a website for viewing and posting local advertisements. It works a lot like the classified section of a newspaper, and it's completely free to use. It's a simple and easy way to start to build a portfolio and make some money in the process. The normal client can vary between local businesses, college students and someone looking to get work done as quickly as possible. Number 5. Freelancer. Freelancer is a marketplace where employers and employees are able to find each other. You have the ability to level up by earning experience points from the projects you complete and the milestones you hit. There are no shortage of jobs on these sites, and everything is channeled depending on your skills and abilities. Freelancer doesn't have a free option that is as flexible as its competitors, and you find yourself paying to take tests and complete certain tasks.